Greetings, fearless entrepreneurs. I'm Bolt Jackson, and this is Business Basics 101. So far, we've navigated the business idea development jungle and mastered the art of validation in our adventurous path to building the business of our dreams. Today, we're leveling up and embarking on an essential quest to craft the ultimate blueprint for success, a comprehensive business plan. A well-crafted business plan is like the design plans for constructing a magnificent skyscraper. You wouldn't break ground without a solid plan, would you? Neither should you dive into the entrepreneurial sea without a business plan that acts as both a compass and a map, navigating your course and charting out a clear vision for your business. So, buckle up. This episode, I'll be your tour guide in the realm of business planning. Together, we'll break down the elements that make up a rock-solid plan and create a blueprint fit for the Entrepreneurial Hall of Fame. Here are the key components your business plan should cover. Number 1, executive summary, the grand entrance to your business plan castle. This section gives a high-level overview of your entire plan, summarizing the mission, vision, and goals of your business. Consider it a tantalizing appetizer, enticing the reader to dive deeper into the main course. 2, company description. Here, you'll be painting a vivid picture of your company's core values, structure, and unique selling proposition. Think of it as a dazzling portrait showcasing your company's greatness to investors and anyone who lays eyes upon your plan. 3, market analysis. The results of your entrepreneurial treasure hunt. Populate this section with the gold nuggets of information on your target market, customer segments, and competitor analysis that you gathered during your market research expeditions. 4, products and services. You've stepped into the inventor's workshop. Here, you'll lay out in detail the spectacular products or services you plan to offer, highlighting their features and benefits, and how they address the needs of your target market. 5, marketing and sales strategy. Behold the master plan, the strategic blueprint to captivate your target market, delight your customers, and position your brand atop your industry. 6, management and organization. A well-oiled machine runs smoothly. This section outlines the structure and management of your company, ensuring the gears are in motion to support your venture's success. 7, financial projections and funding. As the confetti settles, you need to make certain your business has the fuel for the journey. By devising a well-researched financial plan and funding strategy, you can confidently navigate your entrepreneurial voyage. And there you have it, my entrepreneurial trailblazers. With these 7 components in your arsenal, you're ready to conquer the world of business planning. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, where we'll tackle each component in more depth, giving you the tools to forge a truly unbeatable business plan. Till next time. Before we wrap up, folks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of future business legends. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest episodes of Business Basics 101, ensuring you have the knowledge and tools to conquer the entrepreneurial world. So go ahead, click that button, and let's continue this journey together.